How to turn off Shuffle Play on Spotify Mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Shuffle Play on Spotify Mobile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Spotify app and ensure you're logged in and listening to some music. Next, click on the purple bar at the bottom of the song that you're actually listening to, so it will open up the song in full screen. And now here, once you're in this screen, on the bottom left hand corner, you'll see that there's a shuffle icon. So if you're currently shuffling your music, you would see that it's probably highlighted green like it is now. So to turn it off, all you need to do is just tap on that button, and when you're listening to music, it will no longer shuffle the music that you're listening to. You have another option on the right hand side to loop, so it's going to loop the playlist that you're currently listening to, and you can choose to do that multiple times or endless times or only once, or you can turn it off. And that's all it takes to turn off Shuffle Play on Spotify Mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.